Today we are going to have one of the quickest and easiest wig installs I have ever showed you guys. This is going to be definitely a beginner friendly wig install. If you hate using any type of glue, you hate using any type of gotta be glue spray, this is the wig that you're going to want. It's very beginner friendly. So what we are going to do is we are going to use an RPGSHOW wig. They sent me over one of their new cap constructions, the 2.0. So let's open it up. I want to show you guys the cap construction and why it's so glueless. So you guys know whenever sometimes I wear wigs, I'm just going to share with you guys like what's inside of the box real quick. So it looks like this. Whenever you open it, you get the wig inside. She's so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. And then underneath you get a tamer stick. You get this to lay down your wigs if you're using some mousse. You got like a welcome little letter. You have wig caps included inside. Oh my god, something dropped. And then you get a book, a little magazine with all of their wigs and like stuff on how to take care of your wigs and stuff. And then you get this to store your wig. On the inside, they have provided a little cap so I can demonstrate for you guys what is exactly different about this cap and what makes this wig so good and like completely glueless. Okay, so this is what the cap looks like on the inside. You can kind of see this little line right here. That's not on the actual wig. They just provided that so you could see the difference whenever I'm explaining things. Right here is where it's laying flat. This is where you would typically cut, and this is where it's laying super flat to my head. You guys can see it's going into the skin, it's blending in, it's laying flat. But then you see right here how this comes out. Normally on wigs, like every other wig that I've ever received, the lace lays out like this. So you always kind of have to go in, like this part is up here. And so you always have to go in with some type of glue and like lay it down. But this is already laid down, meaning you're not going to need any type of glue. Can you guys see the difference right here? How this is really flat to the head and this is not? That is crazy. I'm so excited to put this wig on and see if that's actually true and like if it actually works. I haven't tried the wig yet. We're going to find out on like together, but wow. But before we get into the quickest wig install ever, if you guys want this wig, you guys can use this coupon code here. I'll put it onto the screen, I'll pop it up. And this is going to give you $130 off. This is limited time for this coupon though. So if you guys like are late or something like that and you can't use that coupon, you guys can always use the coupon Jasmine, and this is going to give you $100 off of a wig too. So you guys can use those coupons for a little money off, but let's get into it. So this is the wig. Look at this pre-plucked hairline. This is crazy. You guys can also see she has bleached knots right here. This just means that you're not going to have those little dots on the forehead area, like whenever the hair meets the lace. You know how sometimes they have those really harsh dots and you can notice a wig from a mile away. This is not going to have that. They bleached them so they're completely invisible, not seen, never heard of. Like they are completely gone. The lace is tinted, but it matches my skin tone really nicely. Even on my paler days, whenever I'm not using like a tanner, it matches me really good. It just blends into any skin tone really nice and pretty. And she also has this little parting. She has a whole bunch of lace onto the inside, so this way you can part her however you please. This whole part is good for, you know, creating a part onto the side, into the middle, whatever you like. She also has clips on the inside as well, so this way it's going to be a really snug, good fit. She's not going to go anywhere, and she has an adjustable strap, so this is completely glueless. She is just going to stay onto your head. All right, so let's put her on and cut the lace and see if she's actually really good and snug, and if I actually can get away without putting any glue. She is so pretty. Okay, this hairline is so good. This is what I mean whenever I'm like so excited to receive a wig from them, because I just know, I think that's from the inside, I think that's my hair peeking out, but I just know that the hairline is going to look so realistic and like it's actually coming out of my head, and there's not going to be any weird funny business. Like it's never going to be like thick. They plucked it so well, but they didn't over pluck where it looks fake. It's like so good. I absolutely love it. And if I turn to the side, let's see the cap. So if I focus onto the cap, you guys can see right here, this is the bottom half of the cap where it kind of comes out, but all right here, this is snug. Like it's snug to about here, and it is fitting so good to the head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just the quickest and easiest wig install just by cutting the lace. That's all we're going to do. We're going to see if the lace actually lays flat to the head and if it is really beginner friendly or not, if you do have to use any type of glue or if you don't. So let's cut the lace and see if it's true or not. Let's see how it works. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a little here. So again, this lace is supposed to lay flat because a lot of the times whenever you get these glueless lace wigs, I have so many, they're so good. But the thing is that like whenever you like tilt your head up or you turn to the side, you can kind of see a little bit of a lace. I've shown you guys this multiple times. And so I always have to go in with Gotta Be Glue spray. I like don't trust wigs to not wear Gotta Be Glue spray. So that is the problem. Like this is what's supposed to be the solution. This cap is supposed to be the solution to not ever have to use Gotta Be Glue spray again. And so that is amazing to me. And so this is supposed to fix the problem. Now let's take a look at the final results. All right, so this is what she is looking like after, oh my gosh, she is flat to the head. She is not glued down or anything like that, but she is laying so flat. If I lift my head up, you don't see any of the lace like flickering. Oh my gosh, that's my worst thing ever. Like I have actually filmed videos where I thought my lace was laying super flat because it was a glueless wig. And then I realized after the footage, my lace was like completely like this the whole time. And you just saw it every time I was lifting my head. Imagine going out in public like that. So not worth it. Like this is the best wig cap like lace construction I have ever tried. It is so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And happy 18th anniversary to RPG Show. It's their anniversary. Wish them one as well. And I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love like it. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit, guess I have to admit it. Yeah, I got an issue with love, yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love, yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worried that it won't be enough.